don't think it turned out too bad. I'd like to see better when it dries, but got the little one wanting back up here, so that's not too bad, I don't think. Hi, and welcome back. As you can see, it's still smoky in here. Probably should have left the doors open for a while. Last time we worked on Bronco, but I didn't. I'll probably open them today, get some of this out. But we're not welding today. What we're gonna concentrate on is the sanding down this middle part. And like I said before, I haven't done any putty or Bondo work, so we may put a little bit of that glazing putty in there and to see what it does. I mean, like I said before, I'm gonna have this whole thing sandblasted or media blasted, so that'll come out and we'll do it proper. But that's gonna get it kind of smooth and for a nice picture, I guess you could say. But that's what I got on the agenda for tonight, is get that taken care of completely. And if there's enough time, move over here and start working on that brace, getting it where it needs to be, and all the other relationships with the kick panel and interrocker and all that stuff. Kind of get back on that and start looking at it more. But anyways, let's go over there and start prepping. See, I got a visitor out here. She's not letting me spray the spot we kind of halfway fixed. Well, that's what it looks like. I don't think it turned out too bad. I'd like to see better when it dries, but got the little one wanting back up here, so that's not too bad, I don't think. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight and for today. We got the middle part done where the little one is, and next time we'll go back to the brace and kick panel and see what needs to be done there. Got my other one over there painting. But anyways, you made it this far. Thanks for watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, usually something on the Bronco. And we'll start back on getting the passenger side done and then moving to the driver's side. Anyways, you say bye? Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Guess we'll see you next time.